Juan Bonilla, president of the Sioux Falls Diversity Council. And in 1968, the Congress of the United States declared the month of September 15 to October 15 in all the United States as the Hispanic Heritage Month. So they celebrate all what the Latinos are bringing to this nation. So the Sioux Falls Diversity Council, this is going to be the 5th year that we are celebrating the Latino American Festival. It's going to be at the district near here behind the Empire Mall. So it's going to be September 16 from 7:30 in the night until 1 o'clock in the morning. You know, Latino, we love to party and be late outside. We will have 2 live Latino bands playing music. One is Sonora Cafe, and the other one is going to be Escuadrón Musical. We're going to have also DJ Fuego that is going to be performing between the bands, and also Cesar Salsa, that he's a dance performer, so he's going to be there. We're going to have a booth of information for all the companies and organizations that want to reach the Latino community that night. And we are going to have Latin food, we are going to have beverage, and the more important thing is that it's free. There is no, you don't have to pay to go in. So I invite all the Latinos and all our Sioux Falls and surrounding community to attend to the 5th annual Festival Latino in the district this year, September 16. So just come and have fun.